Okay, let's start with today's tutorial. Today we will start while loop. For the while loop, again, I will create a new class. I will give the name finish. Here we have started our while loop. Okay, first of all, as you know that we have to write the main method. Open parenthesis to write the method inside the functionality. First of all, I will tell you what is the question that I am going to resolve. I will ask a number, a random number from the user. I will provide a guess number to the system. System will detect any number, a guess. That number will be compared with the number that the user will enter. If both numbers will be correct, will be equivalent to each other, then the guess of the user is correct. If the user will unable to guess the number, then the user will be incorrect. So now as you can know that I am having two sections in this question. One is I am asking from the user that you need to enter a guess. When the user will guess a number, for that I want to use scanner class. Of course, the scanner will allow the user to enter the number. Next, I want to continuously repeat this thing until the user will not enter the right number. So here we come to the loop. We have to use the loop, and I will use while loop. Inside the inside the while loop, I will use if statement, because if number is equals to guess, or the guess is equals to number, then do this. Else, if the number is not equals to the guess, or the guess is not equals to the number, then do this. So basically we are going to use the while loop by prompting the user to enter a guess. So for that, first of all, we have to provide the system to generate any random number so that the user can guess his number. Let's start. Here I have given a variable number. The type of variable is integer, and I'm asking from the user to generate any random number that is that can be multiplied with the 101. So a random number, if you want a system to generate for you, you have to use this line. You have to declare a variable, then you have to initialize with the method. You have to write the type, in the brackets, then you have to write it is a mathematical random number that must be multiplied with the 100. Okay, so I'm asking from the system to generate any number that can be multiplied with the 101. Next, I want now from the user to enter his guess. For that, of course, I will use scanner. Scanner s equals to new scanner. For this, I have to import a library of scanner. Okay, scanner s equals to new scanner system dot in. Here, I am asking from the user to enter the number. For that, I use the scanner class, and then I used a method system.out.println guess any number in between 0 and 100. Now the user will guess the number that he will guess he has to enter in the system, and the system has to get that number from the user. Here you can see that I have asked for the guess from the user. After asking from the guess from the user, we have to initialize a variable. Int guess equals to -1. Here I will add the while loop. While guess is not equals to number. Till this value is true, you need to give the guess again and again. So here we have asked from the user by using the scanner class to enter the guess. That guess, the system has to compare this guess with the number the system will generate by itself. If number and guess both are equal, then what to do? And if number and guess are not equal, then what to do? But this situation will be continuously happen until this this statement is true. If the user is entering the guess again and again and it is not equals to the number, then the statement will be continuously asked from the user to please enter your guess again and again. So here we will ask from the user system.out.println enter your guess. CR. Here we ask from the user to just guess. Here we are asking from the user to please now enter your guess. we will get the guess from the user. S. This S must be related to this variable that we have already declared in the scanner class. System.out.println, enter your guess. Now the user has entered his guess, okay, and the system has get uh, get that guess from the user. Now what the system will do? System will start if guess is equals to the number, this number, and this guess both are equal. Then what to do? System.out.println correct. Else system.out.print incorrect. Here we can do with the else, we can again start if guess is not equals to the number, then it can generate this. So we have nested if. If guess is equals to number, correct. Else. If guess is not equals to the number, then incorrect. So here I just want to tell you that if you want a system to continue until the system will not get the right answer, then you may use while loop. Let's run this class. Oh, I have to run this class. Not. Guess any number in between 0 and 100. Okay, this one. Guess any number in between 0 and 100. Enter your guess. Here the system is asking me to enter the guess. If I enter the guess 1, incorrect. Again it is asking me enter your guess 0, incorrect. Enter your guess 100, incorrect. Until I will not enter the right number, the system will continuously asking me the right number. Let's add something else also. Let's remove this. Let's add over here. Else, if guess is greater than number. You may say your guess is very high. Similarly, if I say else, if guess is less than number, then you may write your number is very low. This will be continue until this statement is true. While guess is not equals to number, then this whole functionality will start. If I run again, enter your guess. 2, incorrect. 3, incorrect. If I say 0, incorrect. If I say 200, incorrect. So continuously it will ask you for the number to enter it again and again. 11, 13. Like this it will work again and again. Okay. If guess is equals to number, correct. Else if guess is, let's remove this else. Let's have this if, nested if, not else. If guess is equals to number, correct. If guess is greater than number, your guess is very high, else your guess is very low. So we can just reduce it till here. The main reason behind using while loop is just to let the system run again and again instead of writing the code. If you want user to write welcome to the Java, you can use welcome to the welcome to the Java statement in while loop instead of letting the user to write it for you for the 100 times. If you will use while loop, the system will automatically run and will write for you 100 times welcome to the Java. Your guess is very low. Your guess is very low. Your guess is very high. Your guess is very low. Your guess is very high. So like this, the system will run. That's all. Thank you.